Hi, I'm Mary, and I work at the Port of Vancouver on the environmental team. We're always thinking of ways to protect the water and the land around the port. So much so that one night I had a dream about it. I took my idea to my coworker, Matt, and he got to work. Soon enough, we had it. An invention that filters water from rooftops using plants and local materials. Basically, a rain garden in a box that keeps the water clean and the Columbia River happy. We call it the Gradix. And people seem to really like it. Because what's good for the river is good for the place we all call home.